Oh, a squeaky whistle.
Needs steam to do that, doesn't it?
I mean, just where's the bottle?
Okay, I'll have a look at you in a second. Look at this. Beautiful merchant navy. Yeah.
Yeah, we got one of each, the original and a modified.
Right, yeah. I've been behind both in reality. Not the same names, but been behind both. Went from York to Scarborough behind one of these.
Oh yeah.
And obviously City of Wells were at Keighley Worth Valley, which is my nearest railway.
Yeah, I can't.
And obviously City of Wells now is at Bury, which is just round the corner as well from where I live. So. Look at you, I've made friends here. Everything will change is coming. A flying potato harder. You gotta remember these.
Looks like it's a bit painty around there, so I think you probably only open it if you're cleaning it.
These are not toys as well. I've got a...